Hey, my name's Zach, and I wanted to show you how to work with layers in Photoshop. Now, what layers are basically images piled on top of each other. So here I have one layer, and underneath is my background layer, which is locked. I can actually delete that since I have another layer just by hitting the delete button. But let's say I wanted to make something on this image, but I didn't want to affect it. What I would do is hit the new layer button. Now, let's say I wanted to make a little call out. And just do that, and click and drag it over here. And we'll make even another new layer and put some text on it. That way, every single layer you add, you can directly edit it. One thing you need to make sure is you're actually renaming these. Double-clicking, and let's say call out. And then on this one, we'll call it fish with me. And then this one, we'll leave alone because when you type text, got to be careful you're not selecting white. So there, now I have some text, and I'm going to delete these layers out. And now I can click and move my text, as long as it's selected. Make sure your text is always selected here, because I cannot manipulate any of these other layers unless they're selected. We'll use the paint bucket tool and paint this black. That one can stay black. So we just painted all of our text black, and now I click and move it up into the callout. My name's Zach, and I just showed you how to work with layers in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.